Why buy Rakhi when you can crochet one that's full of love and handmade charm? In this quick tutorial, let's crochet this beautiful Rakhi which is quick, easy and beginner friendly. So let's jump right in. Hi everyone, as the Rakhi is nearing, in today's quick tutorial, let's crochet this cute Rakhi. I'm taking weight 3 cotton yarn in two colors. With that 2.5mm crochet hook, some pearls like this and two beads like this. This is completely optional. You can decorate however you want. I'm using this one and small amount of glue just to paste the pearl in the middle. We will first start with a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this and twist it once, fold. This is the tail, this is the working yarn. Slowly take the working yarn outside. And now make 8 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After making 8 chains, we will insert our hook in the 8th chain here. Yarn over and make a slip stitch. So this creates a small circle here. Now we will work on this circle. Make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. After making 3 chains, we will make 18 double crochet inside this circle. This 3 chain does not count as a stitch. So to make a double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook inside this circle, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2. Again yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up loop. Now you have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2. So we just made 2 double crochets. Similarly make 16 more double crochets and then I'll show you what to do. You can see I made 18 double crochets and now this is the first double crochet we made. On top you can see this chain. There we will make a slip stitch. After making the slip stitch, pull up a lengthy loop like this. Take a small bead and insert your bead inside this. After inserting the bead, you can see this is the chain we just made our slip stitch, and into the next chain here insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. Again pull up a lengthy loop, take the next bead, insert the next bead inside this. After inserting into the next chain here, insert your hook, yarn over and make a slip stitch. Again, in case if you don't have a needle, small needle like this, then what you can do is you can take a small thread like this, insert one end from here and then insert the bead in both the ends. You can easily insert the bead like this. After inserting the bead into the next chain, make a slip stitch. Again, pull up a lengthy loop. Again, remove the thread, insert your hook and into the next chain here, make a slip stitch. Repeat the same around and then when you come to the end, I'll show you how to make the final finishings. I inserted 17 pearls here. I just need to insert my last pearl. After inserting the last bead, you can see this is the chain on top of the 18th double crochet. So this is the first double crochet. In between you can see a small chain gap here. In that, insert your hook only in the back loop. and make a slip stitch. Insert your hook only in the back loop, yarn over and make a slip stitch. After that, make one chain and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the yarn. We will now weave this tail. Take a big eye needle like this. Insert this yarn inside. Just pass this yarn through adjacent loops. So trim out the excess yarn here. So this completes the Rakhi. Now we will make the tie. So for that I have taken 2 strands of yarn like this. The length is completely up to you. You can keep it lengthy or short. And now take this end, not the free end, but this end, and take a small thread like this. Insert your thread inside this and insert all your beads and pearls. Arrange them however you want before inserting. So I am adding a pearl, a bead, a pearl again, and then slowly pull it. And now we will insert this here. For that, take any loop, take this yarn and just pull it through. Again in the exact opposite stitch, insert your hook and pull the yarn. We have inserted the Rakhi. Similarly, insert 2 pearls a bead this side. And now take a big pearl like this. You can use kundan also or pearls. It is completely up to you how you want to decorate it. Now we will make this tassel. Take 3 strands of yarn like this and one lengthy yarn. Tie knots exactly to the same length both the side. Take this 3 strands. Insert your yarn, all the 3 strands in between these two, and then we will make 2 or 3 permanent knots here. So 1, cut the yarn straight. Similarly, make tassel this side also. So this completes the Rakhi. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.